Whoa, stop scrolling. Did you know there's a new wave of yoga that's so hot, YouTube and Instagram can barely keep up? I'm talking about flows that'll leave your mat sizzling, your body glowing, and your mind totally blown. Welcome to Yoga So Hot, YouTube and Instagram can't handle it. Let's dive in. Chapter 1. What makes hot yoga so hot? It's not just about cranking up the thermostat. Hot yoga is all about intensity. Think sweat, stretch, and strength all rolled into one. It's you, your mat, and enough energy to light up your day. Each move is like a dance, syncing breath with beats. That's why it's catching fire on social media. Chapter 2. How to get started. You don't need fancy leggings or a studio membership. All you need is a towel, water, and an open mind. Start with simple flows. Downward dog, warrior, tree pose. I promise you'll feel the burn, in the best way. Remember, in hot yoga, progress isn't about perfection. It's about showing up and letting your body surprise you. Chapter 3. Why people can't get enough. Hot yoga isn't just a workout, it's a mindset. The heat helps muscles stretch deeper and flushes out stress. You walk out feeling like a superstar, lighter, calmer, and ready for anything. And let's be real, posting that post-yoga glow? Instant likes. Chapter 4. Tips to rock your first session. Hydrate always. Listen to your body. Don't compare. Everyone's sweaty selfie is different. And most importantly, have fun. Dance to the music, breathe with the beat, and let yourself shine. Chapter 5. Your next steps. Ready to join the movement? Check out beginner-friendly yoga playlists right here on YouTube. Follow your favorite yogis for daily inspiration. And drop a comment below sharing what kind of hot yoga flow you want to try next. Hot yoga is more than a trend. It's a celebration of you. So roll out your mat, hit play, and let's get moving. Remember, if you can breathe, you can do yoga. See you in the next class. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more sizzling sessions. Top 10 YZ signing off.